Hello everyone, welcome back to Vishnu's Traders Corner. So, in this video, let's see about what is the current status of our market. Following the huge sell off in the last week, let's see whether our market will crash further or it will go up or whether it is starting of the bear market whatsoever. Let's see in this video. So, to begin with, so as I do always, I'm starting with top-down approach. I'm starting from monthly time frame. Okay, so what we see here, this was a huge up rally where this previous high of Jan 20 was broken and the bull run continued. Again, before going further upside, our market made a sideways movement and then it broke off. And as I say always, like for any uptrend to continue or a sideways movement to break out, we need a strong two candle theory concept where we have got two breakouts which happened above the previous high, which is around 18604, 18604.45. So this first time when it broke out, it gave a false breakout and it got trap few of the buyers over here. And again, what has happened, like again it gave a strong breakout and we have got a confirmation also. And now what we are seeing is nothing but same like before the huge up move there was a sideways movement or else a consolidation. So the same thing is happening at the moment. And also what we see here is nothing but this is nothing but an inside bar in a monthly time frame. Okay, so this is the inside bar. So currently the consolidation is happening, and again the further trend to continue. Either we need a breakout above this previous high, or else to see a temporary down. And what we see here at the moment, like I would not call it as a bear market because we have given a huge breakout on the top side, and whatever we see here, this sell off is nothing but a profit booking, or else the market is coming for a tiny correction at the moment. It's not a bear market at all from my view. Okay, so what I do, I mark a fib retracement for the recent breakout, and my expectation in case in upcoming days, like on a weekly time frame at least, if 19281.75 it is breaking down, we can see a temporary fall up to at least zero point 0.5 levels, which is nothing but 18410. Okay, 18410. It's the first level, and max it can come up to 18036. And max to max, if it is falling further, it can come up to 17360 levels. And until this level, it is a correction for the up move. And I would not call it as a bear market. And you can say on a temporary short term view, it is a bear market. But overall, if we see the market is an uptrend, and whatever the move which we may see here is nothing but a correction for this up move. Whatever the rally it went from here, it just can be an correction. Either we can reverse from here, worst case scenario a wig might pop out to this level. Okay, so this is the scenario at the moment. So this is the view of Nifty at the moment. And in upcoming days, if we have 7 days more for this month to over, on a monthly time frame, if you are getting this red color candle closing below 18 19 to 81, the same level what we see here, this thing can happen on the downside. And so the target is nothing but same as our zero point 0.5 levels. Okay, so this is the scenario of Nifty at the moment. If you're getting this current month candle below this, what we will see is nothing but it is also the two candle theory confirming temporary up move stop. So what may happen, again market will come down, go for a retracement, and again it will fall. So kindly have a look of this level and also have this view in the mind. So accordingly, you can take your position. And if you are having positions, and if you have taken the position at the proper level, and if you are in a decent profit, kindly trail your stop loss. Or else, if you have taken your position recently, check what is your reasonable stop loss, and kindly hold your positions accordingly. Okay, so this is the view of Nifty at the moment on a monthly time frame. Again, when we come on a weekly time frame, okay, so this is the weekly view at the moment. So what we are seeing here, again, this is a huge up move and it made a higher high over here, and this is the breakout failure. So that's why the market has come to this levels. And still, as I have mentioned in my Telegram channel, the last hope at the moment is nothing but this is a stop loss for the up move. So I'm expecting worst case scenario, the market can come down like this, make a stop loss hunting, and from here there is a possibility for the market to recover from here. There are chances for this, okay, because this is the huge up move happen. once it has bounced from Once it has bounced from this level already, but it did not give the full target of 2151. So if this might have given this target, and from there we might have say that the up move is over and the trend is coming down. But whereas this is the last, so this is the last hope for Nifty at the moment. So in next week, in the upcoming week, if Nifty is holding this level 19223, there is a possibility for the market to get recovered from these levels. So in case if it is falling, our first target it can be 18873.30. And in case if you are getting a monthly closing over here, and if the monthly closing is below 19281, in that case we are officially entering into a bear market. In such scenario, what can happen is market will come down for the buying which has happened here. It will give a temporary bounce, and it can come for a retracement and it can fall down further. From here it can fall down further. So our monthly closing is very much important. So with related to the monthly view, and if you're getting a closing below this, when we're coming to this level, we will see a temporary bounce. This temporary bounce will be only a retracement for the downfall. It will come to this level and again the market will fall down. Okay, so in case if our monthly closing is below this 18281, and after coming to this level, if the market is bouncing back, don't think that it is an uptrend is continuing, or it is a bounce back and it may go up. So if the closing is below this, once again I'm saying, if the monthly close, so once again, I'm telling you, if the monthly closing is below this level and if the market is coming to this level, what we'll see only a retracement to go up to this level, and the market can come down. Okay, so this is the current scenario of Nifty, and at the moment, okay, at the moment, what we see here, the intraday levels. So every rise is a sell opportunity because this is the huge selling, and here most probably it can be a sideways market, no trade zone kind of, or wait for the price action and to take your trades. It's better to sit and watch. If you think that you're smart enough and you can make money, you can make money. If not, if you're entering into it, you'll be butchered. And the next sell off level, it can happen from here, here. And as I said, we have to wait for the price action to see, And even if this hammer is there and it did not touch the exact reversal point, which is nothing but 19234 or 223 or even 245. So what can happen? Market can bounce back, come to this level and fall, or come to this level and fall, or come to this level and fall. So meanwhile, buying is not suggestible. You can see the market moves up from here, but there are more chances for you to get stop loss. Instead of taking a risk on buying over here, you can initiate your sell in this level, 19341, 19390, and 19418. So these are the major selling levels which will give you good rewards. So these are the temporary or minor intraday levels for Nifty. Okay, so I cannot show too many levels at a time, or I can show one at a time. These are the major selling levels: 827, 725, 539. Immediately on an intraday basis, 341, 390, 418, 439. These levels can give you good rewards on an intraday basis if you are going for a sell opportunity. And on the downside, these are the levels: 169, 144, 1958, 18993, and 944. So these are the important intraday levels for Nifty at the moment. Okay, and let's see further in the upcoming days like how it. So coming back next to Bank Nifty. So this is what I have mentioned on the previous days. Like if you're getting a solid closing above this, then only we'll go for an up move. If not, we'll come down further. And also I have mentioned over here, if you're getting a two red color candles closing below this levels, we may see this level and it pierced already. And on a daily basis, Bank Nifty has confirmed the sell of this point, and compared to Nifty, Bank Nifty is very weak. And what we see here is nothing but this is top, this is two tops, and this is the decision point at the moment. And it has given strongly closing below the decision point. So, depending upon the upcoming week, the type of candle it is going to form, it will decide the downside levels further. And Bank Nifty looks very much weaker compared to Nifty. So what we see here is nothing but engulfing candle, and this is nothing but the sell off for the this is the confirmation for this candle. So Bank Nifty is giving more confirmation for sell when compared to Nifty. So this can be the immediate next targets for Bank Nifty at the moment on a monthly basis. This is positional view. So what can happen until unless if there is any major news, market may not sell off immediately. What can happen is, for sure, there can be a possible chances for a retracement. So coming back to weekly view, what we are seeing is nothing but this was 9 months July. Okay, this is a kind of double top, and this neckline was broken, and this is the two candle theory confirmation for this neckline. So if the market is too much bearish, we may not expect a pullback, and it can come to this is the first level, and further to that is this is the weekly view at the moment. Weekly view, it can come up to a level of, okay. In weekly view, what we are seeing is nothing but downside levels are around the 39,500, 40,200, 40,608, and 41,115. So these are the downside levels which is looking very much at the moment for Bank Nifty. And rare case scenario, if you're getting a bounce back, market can come back to this level, make a sideways confusion, and fall heavily. Okay, so at the moment, upside is restricted, and we need to wait for the type of price action which may happen either at these levels or the type of closing which may see from here. Okay, so these are the major levels for Bank Nifty at the moment on a weekly basis. So the intraday levels for Bank Nifty are, for sure, market has to respect this fall. So this is the point from where the sell has happened. So the next time when the market comes to this level, kind of stop loss hunting can happen, or else without that also, if the price is touching this level from there, it can reverse immediately and fall. These two are the weaker supports. You may not expect next time when the price comes here it will hold. There is a high probability it will break and go down. So if you are getting a gap down opening day after tomorrow, and if this level is breaching, immediately market will touch 42,491. We can expect a 600 points fall further on Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty looks very much weaker compared to Nifty. Okay, so on intraday basis, these are the important level for Bank Nifty at the moment. So kindly have a look of these levels and always wait for the kind of price action which is happening at these levels and go for trade. So kindly have a look of my Bank Nifty intraday strategy video shared in my YouTube that can give a very clear clue how to take a trades at these various levels. Okay, so if you follow those, like I assure like almost 80 percentage of winning ratio from the strategy whatever I have shared so far. So you do have your own analysis, do backtest, and take trades based on your conviction. So following Nifty and Bank Nifty, let's have a look of how various sectors perform. So let's have a look of various sectors at the moment. And so being a technical analysis traders out here and whomever they're following my channel, I request you guys to not to panic by seeing the kind of fall. Like every fall is a better opportunity for a trader. Okay, so what we can do is like if you have any positions, do not close everything with panic, but at the same time kindly have a look of proper sell off levels where you are supposed to close your positions with minimal stop loss, or else like with a decent profit. So because whenever market falls, you need to buy those stocks at a proper demand zone or a proper support. So for that one you need enough cash in your account, in your so for that you need proper capital. Okay, so you can exit your trades with minimum profit or with minimum loss if you are getting a trend reversal for the kind of stocks which you're holding. I'm not saying that you have to close all your stocks. I'm saying that kindly have a look like where is the proper trend reversal levels for the particular stock and then take your actions accordingly. So let's go into various sectors. Let's have a look of various sectors how they are. So same CNX auto, what we see is nothing but it is in a kind of evening star pattern. Like this is a top and this is a rejection, and if you're getting one more weekly closing over here, then we may expect auto sector to fall down. I mean a correction. Okay. So and also this is also kind of sidewards movement. Okay. So Nifty auto is at a supply. So fresh positions to take in auto sector is not advisable. The next comes consumption. Consumption already rejected, and even this is also in a sideways momentum. The next proper buying levels for consumption is over here. So what we see here, this breakout has happened. This all-time highs breakout has happened. This is the breakout. But before giving the confirmation candle, it came down. It invalidated this breakout. Again, one more attempt has happened for the breakout. And if this low is taken out, again this up move also will get invalidated. So this low has to be saved for auto to prevent the downfall further. Okay. If this low is taken out, again this upside move will be invalidated and it can come down. And energy. So as expected, this was the major sell which was happened in the past. So that is the reason energy sector has rejected from this level. And again, at the moment for energy sector, it is at a demand zone. Okay. So this is an important level. This is an important level for energy sector at the moment. If anyone is want to go for a position, you can keep this as a stop loss, and you can accumulate your positions in energy sector, which is okay to invest a little. The next comes finance. Finance also it looks similar to Nifty. This week closing will be very much important because this is the first candle which is trying to close below, and if you're getting one more red color candle closing below this level, then the downtrend for the Nifty financial service also will continue. And this is FMCG. FMCG is at a support, you can say. Even they are also in a break even point. Infra, same scenario. We have got two candle theory over here. So what can happen? Pullback and fall. CNX IT already they have started giving their correction. So at the moment, this is important level for NIF IT. If we see Nifty IT at the moment, this was the last previous two or three highs. That high is broken, and this is the level from where it got broken, and so this is a major support or a demand zone. So what we see here, Nifty IT is okay to risk at the moment, keeping a minimal risk. We need to analyze the IT stocks which are at a proper demand zone or which gave proper breakout, and if they are in a retracement point, it's good to go for Nifty IT. Nifty Media also, it's at the same point, rejected from supply and coming down to these levels. So next week in the opening or else in the next week if it is falling, it is good to go for it good to concentrate for media stocks. So at the moment, sectors to watch are which are very good is nothing but CNX IT, CNX Media. Let's wait for this fall. Let's come to this level and you can accumulate the position. Metal sector is bearish at the moment. We need to look for the price action over this level, whether it is getting bounced back or it is breaking this level and fall. We need to wait and watch. Mid cap 100, they're making a decent 2%. profit profit booking. Let's wait for this level, and we can start looking for investing in Nifty mid cap. So at the moment, IT, media, CNX mid cap 100, pharma sector at the moment doesn't look good. Rejection, rejection, retracement. We have got a close below, and once again it looks like pharma sector is in a bearish trend on a weekly basis. Okay, IT, media, mid cap 100, pharmacy, PSU banks. PSU banks, they're coming to a very good position. It's a very good bet to invest on this levels. So this was the previous resistance or a supply. It accumulated, got broke up, and it is coming back to the same level where the breakout has happened. So we have very good number of sectors. This kind of setup is not okay for me. So I'm skipping real estate, reality. Service sector also, it's not okay to take a risk over here. Let's see the upcoming week how the price action performs over this level and see how it works. If not, this is a kind of rising wedge. It can come down, and let's wait and see. Small cap, it has got more to come down. Private banks also doesn't seem in a better structure. So private banks doesn't look good. They can fall off big time too. Okay, so these are the important levels for various sectors. So among our analysis, the important sectors to monitor or CNX, which is nothing but IT sector, PSU banks, media, midcap 100. So these sectors looks very good at the moment. So kindly have a look of the stocks belongs to the sector, and if they're in a proper demand zone, you can take your positions accordingly. So this is the update for upcoming week. So don't be panicked by seeing the type of fall which is happening. Kindly take your trades to the proper demand zone and be profitable. So I request the viewers and followers to kindly like and subscribe our channel and do enable the notification icon, so this can give you notification whenever any strategies or any updates are mentioned in my any updates are posted in my channel. Thank you guys.